Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create the galaxy glow effect in Capcut. So you just need to add the clips that you want to edit and then go to adjust and follow the settings. So for the contrast, increase it to 50, saturation 30, then the exposure 11. Okay, after that click on a check icon and go to the video effect, and then click on the comic category, then select the neon effect. Okay, this one, click on a check icon, make sure that it apply to all of the clips, then export this project. Okay, after it's done, you can just go back, delete the effect, and restart or reset the color adjustment. Okay, or you can just delete it like this. And now go to overlay and add the video that you just saved as the overlay. Okay, fit the size like this, then go to blend on the overlay, then select filter. Okay, so after that you just need to add the galaxy overlay. So I found this picture on Pinterest. You can just find it one, then fit the size until it cover all of the clips, and go to blend, then select overlay, click on a check icon, and you are done. So this will be the result. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash that subscribe button down there, and also remember to leave a comment and click on a thanks. Bye.